Hi everyone, my name is Sophie Holland-Francis and I am the Student Support Coordinator for Enrichment here at Durham University International Study Centre. Today I'm going to show you around one of our self-catered accommodations, Infinity House, so come with me. So this is the reception area and this is Finn, the Infinity mascot. And this is Jason, our accommodation manager, who will be able to help you with anything that you might need.
Hi.
So when you arrive here, you will get a laundry card from reception, and this is the laundry. The washing machines are £3.50 and the dryers are free. But if you have any problems at all, you can contact the accommodation staff here at Infinity House or pop into student support and we'll be able to help you. So this is the Courtyard at Infinity House. Students like to socialise here with plenty of seats available and some bike sheds if you like cycling as well. So I'm just going to take you through to the common room in the social space where you can socialise with your friends. So this is the Infinity House common room in social space. There's a table tennis table in here and there'll be a foosball table set up as well. This is just a space for you to come, socialise with your friends, relax and enjoy yourselves and bring some food and drink and have fun. So this is an example of one of the rooms here in Infinity House. All of the accommodation is en suite, which means you will have your own bathroom. So this is our shared kitchen here in Infinity House, and no more than 6 students share this space together, and it's really good for socialising, really helps us build a community, and that's what we're all about here at Durham University International Study Centre. Thanks, bye.